Hi, I'm Diane. Okay, so this problem, we want to find out all the different possible combinations of picking three different bills. And we're starting out with five $1 bills, six $5 bills, and four $10 bills. So I have a tree here. And what I did was we can start out with either a 1, a 5, or a 10. So those are the first three choices. Once we pick our first bill, then for our second bill, it can also be a 1, a 5, or a 10. And then after we pick the second bill, we can pick a 1, a 5, or a 10. So we end up with 27 different possibilities. So hopefully that makes sense. For example, you could pick a 1 and a 1 and a 1. And the probability of that would be, well, you're starting out with 5 ones, so 5 out of 15, that would be the probability of your first $1 bill. The probability of picking another $1 bill, given that the first one was $1, well, now there's only 14 bills left. And since we picked a $1 bill already, there's only 4 $1 bills left. And then the probability of picking another $1 bill is, well, now you only have 3 $1 bills left, and there's 13 total bills left. So you just multiply all these probabilities together, these conditionals. 5/15 times 4/14 times 3/13, and you get 0.022. And we could go, let's choose one more. Let's say we picked a 1 and then a 10 and then a 5. So the probability of the first one is 5/15. We could see that here. The probability of a 10, well, there's still 4 $10 bills in there, so it's 4, but now there's only 14 total, so it's divided by 14. And then the probability of another 1 is going to be 4/13, because there's only 4 $1 bills left out of the total 13. And you do this 27 times for all these different combinations, and you get 27 different probabilities. And then you also need to know what the bills sum up to be. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and that's reflected right here. 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7, so that's here. 1 plus 1 plus 10 is 12, that's right here. Okay, and you do that 27 times. And then you group them together. So for example, there's only one way you can get $3, and that's by picking the 3 $1 bills in a row, and that's the probability. But to get 7, there were actually 3 different outcomes for 7. So right here, and right here, right? So this one was, you could pick a 5 and then a 1 and a 1. So for the 7, we add together all those probabilities that end up as 7. And you do that for all the different possible outcomes. So even though we have 27 here, many of them repeat. As we said, there's 3 7s, there's 3 11s, 3 12s, 1 15, 16 comes up 6 times. And then 20 comes up 3 times, 21 3 times, 25 3 times, and 30 comes up once. And so all these probabilities sum up to 1. So hopefully that makes sense. And if you still need more help, get in touch with me and we could set up a lesson maybe. All right, have a good day. Bye.